Lost in all the Wyatt family mystique is the fact that Bray Wyatt is one of the absolute best inside that ring.
You know, it's true. Behind that spine-chilling appearance is actually a very accomplished competitor. Big right hand right to the chin. Oh, reversal. Oh.
Collar and elbow battling for control.
Oh, look at Roman Reigns pouring on the aggression. A clothesline out of nowhere. Roman Reigns throwing a solid blow that time.
Nobody wants to give an inch in this. He gets out of trouble there. Neither individual is going to back down here.
An elbow. And it's Bray Wyatt executing the reversal. Bad news for Roman Reigns.
Incredible agility on display with that move.
Oh, there it is. Bray Wyatt reverses it.
A big boot by Roman Reigns.
Oh, geez. Nice backdrop. How do you even call a move like that? Wow. I don't know if this arena can take another impact like that. What some fans may not know is that before coming to WWE, Roman Reigns was one of the most feared defensive tackles in the United States when he played NCAA football at Georgia Tech. Reigns also played in the NFL for the Minnesota Vikings and the Jacksonville Jaguars.
Bray Wyatt reverses it.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Uh-oh.
What a completely unbelievable move by Roman Reigns.
Lateral press.
Dude, he got it. No, kick out at 2.
And that's a stiff kick.
And it's Bray Wyatt executing the reversal.
With a great counter.
Look at Roman Reigns here. Look at it this way. Wyatt is just so sneaky.
Yeah, Wyatt is so dangerous on so many different levels. Oh! Oh, Roman Reigns. He saw that one coming.
Was a huge counter.
And that shot was dialed in.
Great reversal.
Roman Reigns gets rocked.
Bray goes down in a hurry.
Woo, that'll leave a mark.
Uh-oh, trying to put him away. How awesome was that? This could do it. 2, 3. I don't believe it. This one's over.
And here's some highlights from the matchup. And here's just some of the action we saw during the match.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns.
Now, let's be honest. This one wasn't even close.
Oh, yeah. That was about as far from an even match as you can get.